Everyone thinks they have the answer to what is killing the romance in their marriage, and they come up with solutions. But I'm telling you that you will find that what I share with you is totally commonsensical, and I'll also share with you how to solve it. I'm Paul Friedman. I'm the founder of the Marriage Foundation, and having been doing this for over 25 years, and in the beginning focusing on what makes a marriage work, I discovered that there are three primary killers of marriage. I'm going to list them here just so you don't feel like I'm leaving you hanging. Number one is over-familiarity. I used to be a divorce mediator, and I saw it constantly. The couple just treated each other as if they were fighting siblings, not like a married couple. I would often wonder, how did they even get together in the first place? The spark was gone. The second killer is very interesting, and it's really logical. The second killer, and it's also a killer of romance, is an inability to communicate as married. You know, everyone thinks that there is communication and that's it. You learn to be a good communicator, you're a good communicator, and that's not true. Because marriage has a unique venue and your communication skills need to match the venue. Doesn't that make sense? The third killer is what I call the business attitude towards your marriage. Now, what they call it now, I think, is actually a better term. They call it transactional. If you're transactional with your husband or transactional with your wife, what you're basically doing is you're calling your marriage a business. And I expect this in exchange for that, which the last killer is expectations, where you have expectations that are completely unreasonable. So your romance in your marriage is mostly destroyed by over-familiarity. And as I promised you, I would tell you what will bring that back. And, just you and me, we're just here talking, and I'm going to make it as simple as I can so you get it. And I know you're going to get it because you're really smart. So here's what's up. When we are together for a while, it's human nature to start seeing each other's flaws, all of the errors that they make, all of the mistakes, all of the way they talk to you incorrectly or way they talk to even other people incorrectly, and you get annoyed. Now, this is the overfamiliarity that I was talking about before. You're never going to get your spouse fixed. You can't do it. The only one who can fix your spouse is your spouse. We all have free will. You know that. And so they're going to have to do it themselves. And you can inspire them to do it. And here's basically the way. The way is through, you brace yourself, unconditional love. Now, don't go, oh yeah, you talk to me that way all the time, Paul. This is just you, you're Pollyanna and all that. No. I'm serious here. We don't understand unconditional love. We think about unconditional love, the way mom taught you, the way mom treated you, maybe a little bit how your dad treated you. And that's a form of unconditional love. But here's what's really cool. Listen to me, because I'm telling you from my experience, not just from working with all these people through the years. Unconditional love is something that you can choose to give. It really is. And it's not as vague or abstract as you may think about it. But, looky here, as we used to say, looky here. When you really love somebody in the beginning, and I know you really loved your husband or your wife in the beginning, come on, let's be honest. It's one of the huge reasons why you married them. In fact, do me a favor right now and put in the comments section why you married your wife or why you married your husband. One word will do. And if you want to express it in more terms, go for it. I'm doing a little bit of a survey, you might say. But anyway, what you felt was so real. It was this love, right? It was like, oh my God, I'm blown away, and your friends, maybe me, saw you and said, holy mackerel, what's gotten over you? And you said, I'm in love. I'm in love. And you felt that love. And then you know what happens is really crazy. But the world says, oh yeah, puppy love. Oh yeah, the honeymoon phase. Oh yeah, that'll pass. No, it won't. It doesn't have to. The problem is that what happens is not only them, but you got into it too. And you felt for them like, oh, why does she do this? Why does he do that? Right? I mean, come on. That's basically what happens. And all I'm saying is this. Go back to the way you felt. Remember how you used to treat him? Her? Remember? No matter what was going on, you knew that their love was what you wanted, right? It was what you wanted. And you can have it again. That unconditional love, and this is what they don't teach us. They just don't. That unconditional love is a choice. It's not something that we have to have based on some magical thing happening. It isn't like that. It's very real. It's something that we choose and we cultivate that love. I can remember when I first got married the first time, and yes, more than once, just like most of you. And I was overwhelmed, I thought, oh my God, this is magic. And it didn't last. It doesn't last for the reasons I told you. It was much later that I learned about marriage. I didn't mention it in this video before because I figured you already knew, but I used to be a divorce mediator until 2001 when a couple asked me to help them save their marriage. And then I started looking into marriage and I discovered these amazing principles about marriage that are just absolutely mind-boggling. And this one principle that I'm sharing with you now, I tell people, make unconditional love the pole star for how you behave. When you're about to say something, when you're about to think something even, when you're about to do something, ask yourself, say, is this an expression of my true love for my soulmate? Ask yourself. It won't kill you. And then what'll happen is you'll slowly start to see just how far you have fallen from this amazing place of love. And it can be recaptured. And I'm not kidding you. People say, oh yeah, but man, I've been married for so long, and he or she, what are they going to do? They're not going to just change. And now what I'm telling you is you change first. Go ahead. You change first. It'll work. I know it. Thousands of people have worked with these teachings that I came up with, and it works. So why not? Now, what I'd like to do is give you sort of a little bit of a technique, you might say, for cultivating this unconditional love. So what I want you to do, if you'll try it, is stop your mind as soon as you have a negative thought about your soulmate. Just stop the mind. Just, okay, whoa. And I talk to my mind. I do. And replace the thought that you're having with something that is like an amazing memory you have of them from way back or even fairly recently that stirs your heart, and see what happens. That's a technique. I haven't given it a name, but it's a good technique. So try it. Okay? Now, don't forget to put in the comment section that, and also if you want to like the video, it's fine. And subscribing is fine too. Now what I want to do is I want to share with you some next steps that you can take to really make your marriage amazing. Thank you for having watched this video. I sure hope it was useful to you. Now I want to talk to you about your marriage. We all know that you wouldn't be looking at this video or any of the videos that you come across on marriage if yours was perfect. Well, I'm here to tell you that not only should you be working on your marriage, but you should be working on your marriage scientifically. And this is, you could call it a secret that I discovered when I started helping people with their marriages back in 2001. I discovered that there is a mechanical element to marriage. Now, that doesn't mean it's a machine. Think of it more like a plant. A plant has a mechanical component to it. Sometimes it needs more nitrogen. Sometimes it needs trimming. Sometimes it needs more of this or that. Sometimes it has to be taken out of the direct sun or more watering. What's going on here is that when you understand the plant, you could make it bloom, have beautiful flowers, beautiful fruits. And your marriage is intended to have beautiful flowers of love and happiness, beautiful fruits of devotion and connectivity. That's what it's intended to be. I also discovered something that is vital to know, and that is that one of you alone can save your marriage. In fact, what happened was in 2001, when I started helping people with their marriages, I realized in pretty quick order that working with just one works. Working with a couple sets up a dynamic of negative interaction where they're competing for who's being more mistreated. Well, we don't want to go there. And so in the courses that I have, online courses, which I believe are on sale now, so you should take advantage of that. The online courses take you from point A, which is wherever you are now. And many people who come to us because it's a last resort, nobody wants to put in the effort and spend the money to save their marriage. But I don't believe in just saving your marriage. I want your marriage to be the most amazing marriage that ever was. And I can show you how, step by step. I give you techniques, I give you methods, I give you milestones, and you will learn how to make your marriage amazing. It's a beautiful thing. You could take a look at all of the reviews on our website. They're all very positive. We never get a mad at you review, never happens, because everything is set up in a common sense way. You will learn how to live your marriage. You will learn what you need to do right now to move your marriage in a positive way. And pretty soon what will happen is your marriage may be below the line here. It may be to where one of you is having an affair and it's destroying you heart and soul. Let's turn that around. Let's make your marriage amazing. So go to our website, sign up for the course, and watch your marriage change. I promise you. In fact, it comes with a 3-day free trial. It's guaranteed for 30 days that if you don't like it, and I'm going to tell you a little secret now. Some people say, well, my marriage isn't on the verge of divorce or anything like that. Doesn't matter. What you do in that case is don't pay the full fee for the course. Sign up for the extended plan, which is less than $10 a week, $39.95 a month. And after you get all the knowledge that you need, which takes about 12 weeks, it's a 12-week course, then cancel it. We're probably not supposed to be telling you that, but cancel it because you got what you needed, and we're here for you to have an amazing marriage. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation in order to help you with your marriage. Write into us. Use the comment section below. Leave a comment. Ask a question. I'll help you. We're here for you. God bless you and take care.